Hello everyone. Today's video is about Heim Beta 200 LED retinoscope. In the box you can find the handle of the retinoscope. This is the head of the retinoscope, and here you can find a dust cloth. This is the charger, this is the jack, and it is its cable, and this thing is for the rest of the handle of retinoscope. If we talk about the handle of retinoscope, as you can see, it has a very premium look and it is sturdy as well. This is the area where we will insert the battery. This area is for the battery's placement. As you can see, there is already a battery, and you can insert any alkaline battery for its to operate it. As you can see, this is the on off button. If you press this button and twist this area, you can on and off the retinoscope. Now let's talk about head of Beta 200 LED retinoscope, which is made in Germany. As you can see, this area is the connecting part from where you can connect the handle with the head. This part is known as bro rest, which comes with this thing, and it also works as a bro rest. You can use it like if you place it like this, and you can keep it like this. It works as a bro rest. If we go down the bro rest, we can find an eye view portion which helps in retina examination. This is known as peristop, and this part moves like this. It goes up and down, and it helps in changing the slit light, which makes the slit light thick or thin. If we talk more about peristop, and if we push it downwards, it helps in fixing the light angle at a point. And on this side of the head of retinoscope, you can find a viewing mirror. As we talked earlier, this part works as a connecting part to connect the handle with the head. Now, to connect the head with the handle, we just have to twist this part a bit, and we just need to insert it like this, and it is done. To switch on the LED light, we just have to press this button a bit and rotate it. As we can see, the LED light has been switched on, and if we move it upwards, the slit light gets thicker and thinner. If we move it upwards, the slit light gets thinner, and if we move it downwards, the slit light gets thicker. And if we rotate this portion, the slit light also gets rotated. So this was all about Heim Beta 200 LED retinoscope, make Heim Germany. Thank you.